Best for you. Seven is coming through.
What do you call yourself?
Diana, Latin for the goddess of the hunt. And you had no idea.
When did you arrive, Diana?
We all started at the beating, of course. The great adolescent trauma.
What did you feel then?
Jennifer felt the pain. Catherine, Katie, the guilt.
And you?
I waited.
How long has this Diana personality been manifesting itself?
Only a matter of weeks, as far as I can tell.
But she's declared herself to no one but you.
I very much doubt it.
I wonder if there are any more of them.
God knows.
You told me on the telephone the patient was out of control. I think you're wrong. She is, or they are in total control. I think you said the patient was